I got a package, let's open it. I'm collabing with TIJN shop. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I know that those are the letters in their name, but I'll type them down below. So here are the two products I'm reviewing. Their shop focuses on like selling like glasses, like I think it's like blue light glasses and stuff like that. And I wear prescription glasses, so I won't be able to wear these out of the house, but like I can wear them around the house. I never really wear my prescription glasses unless I'm going out somewhere. But I think these will be cute just to wear in the house, make videos, take pictures, and blah blah blah. Okay, I don't know which one's which, so we're gonna start with this one. They sent these to me like a little less than a week ago, so they came pretty fast. I think it's only been like 5 days, maybe 4. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing. TIJN. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this looks so cute. They sent me a little thank you note. And then collaboration, because we're collabing. I definitely give them 10 out of 10 packaging, so that's good. It comes with the case, and then I think this is like glasses cleaner wipe towel thing. All right. These are they're so cold because they've been outside. These are so cute. Okay, this is what they look like. I don't know the name of them, but I'll put them down below, obviously. But like they're so cute, and they're like really good quality glasses, and I think it's definitely worth the price that they were. So this pair I definitely give like a 10 out of 10. These are so cute, and these kind of remind me of a pair that I've had before. So I really like these. And if you want to follow them on Instagram and support them, their Instagram is TIJN eyewear. Alright, now let's open the next one. I think this pair is like the same thing as my other one, except like a different like style. I don't know. So again, it comes with this, the case, and they gave me a different card. And this is their Instagram. Alright. Definitely like the same style. I definitely am a round person. So this is what they look like. I don't know if I picked these ones out or not, but it's okay. Okay. Oh, I look like a grandma. These ones are really cute, and same thing with the other ones. They're really good quality. They're sturdy. They're not uncomfortable. They're actually really comfortable. Like it doesn't like, it's not too tight like in the ear area. Whenever I wear my prescription glasses, if they're too tight, it'll like hurt the insides of my ear. But I think these are so cute, and I think these are like just perfect for anything. So in my opinion, I really recommend these. These are like really good. The quality is perfect. They're not uncomfortable. The shipping was so fast, and the shop owners are extremely nice people. So go get these for yourself, for your mom, for your dad, for anybody. Just give it to someone as a gift. So I definitely recommend these. So the thing about me is that if someone sends me a collab invite or sends me something to review, I'm going to be 100% honest about it. Like, if something's bad, I'm going to tell you it's bad. But these are honestly not bad, and a lot of the things that I've received so far are really good quality things. So if you're iffy about buying off TikTok shop, just make sure that you read reviews, see how many things they have sold, and just look into something before you buy, because there's multiple other products of the same thing that other people are selling. So just kind of look into what you're buying before you order it. But yeah, go get you these.